The word of the day is manifest destiny. What's your definition of manifest destiny?
I believe the definition is that the people in the original 13 colonies dreamed of a better life back west. So they decided to go west. And different groups just wanted a better life.
Manifest destiny is the idea that not only are we going to stretch from coast to coast, but that we're destined to stretch from coast to coast.
Manifest destiny was the belief that the United States would one day cover the land from the Atlantic coast to the Pacific coast. Remember, the United States began as the 13 British colonies. Do you know what landmark formed the western boundary of the 13 colonies? If you said the Appalachian Mountains, you're correct. In 1783, the Treaty of Paris was signed, which ended the Revolutionary War and gave the United States control of the land all the way to the Mississippi River. This nearly doubled the size of the United States. But we were just getting started in our pursuit to fulfill our manifest destiny. In this famous painting, The Spirit of the Frontier, John Gast portrays the idea of manifest destiny. What people do you see? Did you spot Native Americans? What about the farmers? The prospectors? And the pioneers? What modes of transportation do you see? Did you spot the stagecoach? The covered wagon? Horseback? Foot? Steamboats? Trains? And what's the meaning of this angel-like image in the center? She is supposed to be manifest destiny. Similar to Lady Liberty. Did you notice the school book that she's carrying? This shows that people were on a quest for knowledge. The wire she's stringing along is a telegraph, which indicates that they were bringing innovations with them. Also, she's driving the Native Americans away and leading the pioneers. Why do you think people wanted to move out west? Why do you think people wanted to move west?
People wanted to move west for more opportunities. Actually, they're being sold in the newspapers as great land, great opportunity in the West. Also, some people, like the Mormons, were moving for religious persecution reasons. They wanted to have freedom away from what other people were doing.
Why do you think people were headed west?
I believe that there was probably not enough room back east. So they wanted to move west for more room, farming, gold, just wide open spaces.
With all the factory jobs available, immigrants were moving to the cities on the East Coast in flocks. Between 1800 and 1900, the population of America grew from 5 million to 17 million people.
One thing you will discover when you get next to one another is everybody needs some elbow room, elbow room. It's nice when you're kind of cozy, but not when you're tangled nose to nosy. Oh, everybody needs some elbow, needs a little elbow room.
They also moved west for the same reasons that people had come to the New World: wealth, land, and religious freedom. So how did the United States make manifest destiny a reality and gain all the land from coast to coast? Peace by peace. Some land was purchased, some was acquired through wars and treaties, other land was taken as Native Americans were forced off. It took 176 years from 1783 to 1959 for all 50 states to become part of the United States. The word of the day is manifest destiny. Do you know what manifest destiny means?